I think what's key to the success of hula and Hawaiian language and other cultural practices for Keia Hanauna, for this generation, and I consider myself, because I'm alive and well and practicing, is that as much as we're focusing on moving forward, we always have to look back. And I think that's a Hawaiian concept or process. Kehele o imua nana ihope. If you are going forward, which we should be, you have to look back and bring the things from before, from our heritage, that are relevant, that are helpful, that are reminding us of the parameters of our hula world and in the creative process. We have to remember also that because hula is an art and art is subjective, it's also a tradition, and a tradition is very objective. So handling objectivity and subjectivity at the same time is really a personal path, if you will, a personal decision or way of teaching. And that's where we have Luna Loi Loi in competitions. I think, and often they are seasoned. They're not necessarily older, but they are seasoned and they're experienced. And many of them are kupuna as well, or have been very, very well trained by kupuna. So the idea that we can just do whatever we want and just sort of move forward, I think that we should sort of rethink that idea and really go back and look at how you were taught and what you were taught. It's great to create, it's great to build on tradition, but you have to build on something. There's a olelo no eau that's well known, aohe pauka ike ika halau ho'okahi, not all knowledge comes from one school. It's that in traditional times, not everybody did all kinds of hula. As an example, hula pahu. Maybe in one school they focused on hula ala apapa and maybe and hula olapa, using the ipu and all that. But there's a need for hula pahu, maybe for a ceremony or maybe for an important performance. So maybe the Kumu would ask a Kumu who was familiar with the hula pahu, would you consider training my student? So you go to another halau because yours is not pau ika ike holo okoa. It's not filled with all the knowledge. If someone is bold enough or sincere enough to actually make that noi or that request, then probably if it's done properly, it would be received well.